What the? Magic's been jumping into the fridge. It's really getting a bit strange. I don't know why he's doing it. Maybe because there's food in there. Okay, Magic. Come on. Magic, down. Sooty kind of, sort of, occasionally jumped in. Haven't seen Bear yet try it. See, Magic's going to do it again. Door's open. He's going to do it again. Maybe. Okay. Yeah. So he's after the butter. Maybe he's after the orange juice back there. There's no tuna fish in there. Yeah, come on, Magic. No, look, see, he's all over it. He's a real expert. Yeah. Oh, crikey, he's doing it again.